In today's video, I am going to discuss another bakhoor you can burn, or incense you can burn in an incense burner, and that is from Arabian Oud, this one, Maajoun Al Arabia, this one. So this is actually really nice. This is called Maajoun Al Arabia Al Oud Maliki. So whenever you try to buy any incense, the Maliki grade oud is always going to smell very sweet. So Maliki have mostly sweet smell. So this is how it looks from inside. Very nice looking pyramid. And whenever you open this like this, so this is the bottle inside, and then we have a very nice spoon, golden spoon with it to use this incense. And here we have the bottle. So I think it's 50 grams, almost 50 grams, and 52 or 56 grams. So I have already opened it. You can see there was a seal over here. So I'm going to tell you how it actually smells. It has spices, mostly spices dominating cardamom, refreshing smell, little bit of lime, or you can say on the sour side little bit. And then whenever I have burned it, I get some rose. So this has a very nice rose in it. It is a bit flowery. It is not on the woody, or you can say oud side. It is flowery, sweet, spicy, oriental, sweet oriental, a little bit of rose in it, flowery. So mostly it is not woody. It is mostly on flower orient side. So it is basically flower oriental spices, flower spices, and some of the lime. So this is how it actually smells. But it is really nice, really nice. I have bought only 3 incense, this bakhoors from Saudi Arabia in my last visit, and this is one of them. So I smelled few others from them, but those Maajouns or bakhoors, they had a lot of you can say lime, or very much sour. So they were on the sour side. They had some bergamot or lime type kind of effect, very orange kind of effect, or maybe lime. You can say say that mostly lime. So I didn't like when there is a very prominent lime kind of effect. So I really love this one, Maajoun Al Arabia Al Oud Maliki. Maliki mostly are sweet, so this is sweet. It is really nice. Rose is more prominent. Then we have some spices. So if you are into a room, or maybe your bedroom, I think this is more pleasant for a bedroom because it has rose and a bit flowery kind of touch in it. So I hope you will try this one. If you have ever visit Arabian Oud, this is a very nice smelling, very fragrant kind of bakhoor, and very high quality. I have smelled very cheap bakhoors that they mostly have chemical smell. It doesn't have that kind of chemical smell. It is more towards the natural smelling ingredients. So that is all about the smell of this one. I think its price is 150 Saudi Riyal, roughly $40 to $50, I guess $50. I'm not sure how much they're selling on their American or UK store, but its price is normally like this one. It will be more in dollars, maybe $70 or $80. I'm not sure. So this is a really nice one. If you are into bakhoors, or you burn incense in your homes or in your bedrooms regularly, you are really going to enjoy this one. So this is from Arabian Oud Bakhoor Maajoun Al Arabia Al Oud Maliki. This is really nice one. I hope you have enjoyed this review of this Maajoun Al Arabia Al Oud Maliki from Arabian Oud, this incense. I hope you will try it and you will love it, you will like it. It is a very nice and very good quality bakhoor. Arabian Oud haven't paid me for making this video. This is my own suggestion. I purchased this one from smelling like 3 or 4, at least 3 of their bakhoors. This is the one I loved. Maybe you love something else that is subjective. You might smell or like something else. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video if you have used it. Thumbs up, and maybe you can add some comments in the comment section below. If you tried any other bakhoor that is very fragrant, very uplifting, you can also put the name in the description below. I will meet you in another video with another fragrance or with another scent. Till then, take care and bye.